Now we are going to solve the NRL company midsem question. So as we all know that you are supposed to study only the income statement and balance sheet. So I have prepared the income statement part. Although if you would have known the journal entry, then this question would be really easy for you, but it's not possible right now. So I'll try to explain the logic behind taking the items under revenue, under expenses. I'll try to explain the rationally. So as you know, income statement starts with revenue from operations. So we got the revenue from operations from point number C, which is 1,50,000 rupees. Then from the revenue we'll subtract all the expenses. So the first expense which comes to our eyes is wages. Wages for the month rupees 25,000. Although 12,000 is yet to be paid, but as it was pertaining to the month of June, we have to take the entire amount of 25,000. So 25,000 is to be deducted from 1,50,000. Then we have utility expenses amounting rupees 3,400, which has been paid, but out of which only 2,200 is relevant for June. Why? The logic behind this is that the 1,200 was related to May, that is previous month, whereas we are trying to calculate the net profit for June. So for previous month we have to reduce it from 3,400, that is 3,400 minus 1,200, which comes to 2,200. Then we have selling expenses. Selling expenses is the direct expenses given over here, 7,600. So we'll deduct 7,600. Administration and miscellaneous expenses again for the month, 2,300. You have taken the figure. Remember again, wherever I have put brackets, it means it is a negative figure, so we are deducting it. Then we have parts used. So for parts used, you have to make a journal entry called cost of goods sold account debit to parts used or parts account. So it will be deducted from the net profit. So parts used 2,500. Then we have depreciation. Now for depreciation we have to focus carefully, because it is given in the question that depreciation on various equipment excluding the service van is rupees 2,500. So I have taken the depreciation. I made two branches, various equipments and van. For various equipments we have 2,500 rupees given as depreciation amount, but for the van we have to calculate it on straight line method. So for SLM we will take the total cost 4,50,000 divided by number of useful years, 5. So each year we have to deduct around 90,000 as depreciation. So total depreciation would be this 90,000 plus 2,500, which comes to 92,500. So 92,500. If we subtract all these expenses from our revenue, that is 1,50,000, we'll get 17,900 as our final answer. Thank you.